Yo, what's good, everybody? Last time we made Pixar Cardi look cute as hell, but she was frozen like a mannequin at Macy's during a blackout. Today, we about to unfreeze her. A Pixar Cardi that waves, throws kisses, and maybe even twerks. Let's get it. 1. We grab our best Pixar Cardi photo and toss it into Runway ML. Now instead of just sitting pretty like she waiting for her Uber, she's gonna move. Pixar Cardi doing the princess wave, blowing kisses, even hitting that Bronx two-step. Add a little sparkle to the settings, hit generate, and boom, Cardi in motion, baby. Oh, look at this! She's waving like she's running for Disney mayor, throwing side-eye like she just spotted Cinderella, talking slick, the attitude, the sassiness, and that two-step, straight Bronx block party energy. If she moves weird, no biggie. We tweak the props so she's smoother than butter on cornbread. And there she is, Pixar Cardi B, alive and thriving, like she just walked off a Disney Plus remix. But yo, I need y'all help. Who's next? Taylor Swift, Harry Styles, The Rock? Drop your pick in the comments right now. Smash that like button. And yo, hit subscribe right now, cause next episode, we making Pixar Cardi talk for real. You don't wanna miss.